So in this video we want to do a quick explainer on how to properly measure for a Springer fork. So for demonstration purposes, let's say this is a soft tail. Now first thing you need to know is the length from the bottom of the triple tree to the center of the axle. On this one we have 20 inches. So that means stock replacement, just putting a new fork on, you want a 20-inch fork. Springers come in even sizes, so you're going to get 20, 22, 16, 18, 24, 26. Those are going to be the common things you're going to see when you're looking online to order one. So this one would be a 20-inch fork. Now things are going to start getting complicated. Say you have lowered your bike in the rear 2 inches and you want to keep the bike level. That means you're going to take 2 inches off the front fork. That'll put you at an 18-inch fork when you order. Now let's get more complicated. Say you want to go 1 inch down in the front and leave the back alone. This is where you're going to have to figure out tire sizes. Tire size, we'll have to go direct to the manufacturer. You're going to have to see what the diameter is on the tire you're going to use, or find a tire that's going to work for you to get that inch back so you're not down 2 inches in the front. Now let's get more complicated. Say you're going to do a dirty tail. Now you're adding a 23 or a 26 inch rim. You're going to have to figure out the diameter not only of the rim but also of the height of the tire. So your tire is going to sit right here on a stock fork, let's say, and because you've added a 23 or a 26, you've now raised the front end of the bike. Your bike is sitting like a truck. That means you're going to have to figure out, say 23 inches, and you've added 4 inches worth of extra rim and tire, and you want your tire to sit about here to keep the bike level. That means you're at a 16-inch Springer fork. There's a lot of things you have to figure out, and you need to get out a piece of paper, get out that old TI-85 calculator, don't play the drug dealer games, and actually do some geometry and figure out what's going to work.